Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. In this video, I'm going to answer the question of, hey, Jeff, how can I find out who makes the window that's in my house? And how do I identify the serial number or the information I need in order to either buy some more parts or to file a warranty claim? So there's 3 or 4 different things you can look for. Easy enough, usually, is to just look at the handle. A lot of brands are really proud of their equipment, just like a Sub-Zero refrigerator is going to say Sub-Zero on it. You can see right here the word Pella. So this is a Pella window. Now, if you want to dig a little further, we have what's called a bug in the corner of the window. And the bug is usually over here in the bottom right-hand corner. And I'll show you a close-up picture here of this bug. If you notice, this bug is on a Infinity from Marvin window. You can see here, that's telling us who makes it. This CNU0274, that is the serial number of this particular window, just like you have a VIN number on a car. And of course, the next 2 things tell us about the qualification and the quality certifications. And then there, if you see here, this CIG 624, that means that CIG is Cardinal Insulated Glass. Cardinal made this glass. 624 means it was June of 2024 when this window was made. So the other day, my wife and I, we've been looking at buying a second house, right? So we were looking at the windows because that's what I do. And I wondered, when was this window put in? And I happened to see the year and the month that it was manufactured. It's kind of a way of knowing, when was this window made? It might even tell you how old the house is. So that's 2 places you can find it. One on here, the other would be in the bug. And then for some brands, it's neither one of those, so you have to look under the hood. Follow me, I'm going to show you what I mean. So as we walk back there, I want to point out to you that I'm in our beautiful showroom here in Houston, Texas at the Window Experts, where we sell over a dozen brands of windows and doors to choose from. We have our own installers. We offer you a lifetime leak-free guarantee. Now, if you don't live in this area or you don't live in DFW, then I know window companies all over the country. Check it out, jeffslist.com. I've got a list of great window companies. Maybe I know somebody near you. Okay, so this is a brand that we know is NT because it has a sticker there, but it also says NT on the window, but there's no bug on this piece of glass. So how do I know my serial number? Open the window, lift it up, tilt it in, and voila. In some cases, you'll see a sticker right there on an operational window, and it'll tell you the serial number, when it was made, and who the dealer is. Sometimes it even has a dealer's name on there. Now you say, Jeff, okay, so now that I have that info, how do I file a warranty claim? Well, the best thing to do, of course, is to find out who installed the window, because in this case, if you tilted that window in, you would see the Window Experts, right? You would know, oh, this is the Window Experts who did this. Contact the person who put the window in. That's where I would start. I tell all of my clients all the time, it's not about us selling you windows and then we step out of the picture. We are trying to build a relationship with you and your family for life. Most of my homeowners stay in their homes 7 to 10 years, then they go into another home. So as you switch from home to home, you're going to bring your window dealer with you, right? Just like you'd bring your insurance agent with you, you'd bring your financial planner with you, take your window company with you all through the next 100 golden years of your life. But start with me. Start with the window company who put it in. Now, if you can't get satisfaction there, or they don't exist, or you don't know who they are, obviously reach out to the manufacturer, go through the process. But before you spend money on fixing a window, I would see if it's under warranty. Most window brands now offer a minimum of 10-year warranty. The good ones give you 20. The great ones give you a lifetime warranty. Hopefully this has been helpful, and if I can help you with your windows, give me a call. If not, check out my list, jeffslist.com, for a great window company near you.